Welcome to Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. My name is Captain Phillip, and today I'm going to serve as your pilot and tour guide as we take a tour of my alma mater, the beautiful campus of Hampton University. But before we get started, if you would like to be a part of future aerial tours, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are clear for takeoff, so sit back, relax, and enjoy your tour. Founded in 1868 as the Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institute by Brigadier General Samuel Armstrong to provide education for recently freed African Americans. Below is the historic Emancipation Oak. In 1863, it was the first place in the South where recently freed slaves would hear Abraham Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation. Ahead is the Booker T. Washington statue, who is Hampton University's most historic alumni. At the age of 25, Washington helped founded the Tuskegee Institute in Alabama in 1881 at the request of General Armstrong. On July 1st, 1930, the college became Hampton Institute and the title of principal was changed to president. Ahead is the William and Norma Harvey Library. It is 5 stories tall and is state-of-the-art. The library is one of those buildings where either you lived in or you never went to. Below is Holland Hall, which is the site of intense intramural basketball games and the best parties thrown on campus. Right behind it is the Convocation Center, where both the men's and women's basketball teams play. In 2001, the Hampton's men's team would make history by becoming the first 15 seed to knock out a 2 seed in the NCAA tournament. Next is Armstrong Stadium, where the football team and band play. It is also the site of freshman orientation, homecoming, and graduation. Right next door is the Student Center. And where do I begin? This building is the hub of student activity on the campus. It has places to eat, a gym, meeting spaces, and more. But most importantly, it is the site of the 12 to 2, which is a day party that happens every Friday from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Below is Ogden Hall, which is a building where many campus events take place. And right in front of Ogden Hall is Ogden Circle. Below is a 10-year senior who just graduated. The superstition of Ogden Circle is that anybody who walks across or even touches the grass will not graduate. Notable Hampton alumni include NBA champion Rick Mahorn, Emmy award-winning comedian Wanda Sykes, former editor-in-chief of Essence magazine Angela Burt Murray, former president of Oracle Corporation Charles E. Phillips, the first African-American mayor of Trenton, New Jersey, Douglas Palmer, and DJ Envy. And now, the best part of Hampton's campus, the waterfront. And let's just say, many families began on the waterfront. But if you're having trouble in the love department, you can use Tinder because the waterfront now has Wi-Fi. Below is the new cafeteria, which sits right on the water. However, outside of Fried Chicken Wednesdays, the food is still a hit or miss. To the right is the dorm I stayed in my freshman year, Harkness Hall. Many of the dorms on campus have been recently renovated. Ahead is the chapel. The tower is Hampton's most iconic symbol. The chapel still has services every Sunday. In 1984, after a 9-month study of Hampton Institute's rapid growth and development in quality of students, faculty, and academic offerings, the name was changed to Hampton University. As of 2020, Hampton offers 50 baccalaureate programs, 26 master's programs, 7 doctoral programs, 2 professional programs, and 10 associate/certificate programs. If you're looking for an amazing print of the beautiful campus of Hampton University for your home, office, or home office, make sure to check out our print store at www.airworthyprints.com. Free shipping and a digital print is included on every purchase. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, make sure to check out some of our other aerial campus tours here. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.